Hello. I am Pippa and I got a facelift. You might not recognize me. But yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe this video and yeah, let's get to it.
Get out. Sup me wolves? Music in the background. It's a black background because it can be. It's actually pitch black. That's actually a room over there, but you know. So what we're gonna do today, guys, is we're gonna look at our Lego. Hi. You can wait till after. So today, what we're gonna be doing, guys, is we're gonna be going into a room, and what we're gonna be doing is we are going to be doing Lego house touring. So yeah, Lego. So as you guys can see, it's way too dark in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the Lego houses out into the kitchen. Peace, boys! So guys, we're back again. We've got our Lego houses, so, what? Oh yeah.
Hashtag sleepover.
So what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be showing you how to build one another's houses, so let's get
Go
to
and
it.
check out my videos too. Please.
Yep. Hashtag little cuties.
Hi. Hashtag lovely dot cuties.
Oh, lovely. See you down there, guys. Okay, guys, we're back, and now we're on with the basic.
I nearly fell back.
We're on with the basic house shape.
I can't do that to mine.
I've done the basic house shape. We've got Lego materials here, so we can use them. So, for this part of the house, we're going to do a kitchen, so let's get started with that. So we'll need this piece here and this piece and stick them. So there, just in the middle. And then when you look, you would stick it there. And now you would grab a plate. Well, the little yellow plate. What is that?
Milk. It's milk.
Can I have that?
Yeah.
Look how cute that is. It's like a little milk jug. Alright, so that's there. Now, let's fry my little cream pie that I have. Creme pie. You'll put that in the bowl.
Wait, I just want to do one thing with the camera.
No, don't touch it! Jesus! Alright, so, what we have now is we have this, and what we're going to do is, we're just going to place this here.
By the way, her little sister Lily, what's her username?
Sensei Kitty Cat.
You said it.
Sensei Kitty Cat?
Is also doing a video. And it's really weird. I'm kidding.
Alright, so now that we've placed, oh no, my house. Now that we've placed down these parts, we're going to have to place the other seat.
30 times 30. 30 times 30. 60.
No, that's 30 plus 30.
That's 30 times 30.
Sorry.
Why does it say that?
It's like 2 million.
2 million.
Oh no, 30 times itself, yeah, it's 60.
We have a special guest.
Yeah, we have a special guest. Say hi.
Say hello. Ow, my legs. Hello? Oh my god. Serious. Skittle. Skittles.
She's a new member of the family.
Family.
You obviously already know Elfie. She's being
But
a
by the
suck-
way, you guys do not want to be here because she farts insanely. It stinks.
Yep. So we've got the kitchen set down. Well, we've got the dining room set down. Let's get the kitchen in place. So I haven't really... Actually, let's get the walls in place. Because this isn't really...
She just rejected me. Not like this, and she's like...
So we're going to be placing down some of my walls, as some may say. Let's just place down some walls here.
She's doing a Pokemon video.
Ew.
Ew! Cat farted. farted. Cat farted.
No reason. It is out. So what we're going to be doing now, guys, is let's just try and get. Oh my god! Let's just try and get these angles in. Damn it. So we'll get these angles in. Oh my goodness!
What the hell happened?
I don't know. Ah!
I hate when that happens.
Don't rock the table!
Oh no, just let me sit down. No.
It's okay. It was dying. Alright, so let's just place it there. But we can't place that there. Huh.
That's mine.
Show me. No, I had that in my room. Anyway, so place that there. And place that. And this here. This just here in front of the table. And then
Are you sure you're ready? Yes. First you're talking to us and it counts.
so what do you say?
Really, sir?
And then so we're done with the walls and stuff. Let's just get this little rest one in. There we go. Take the pie out because the pie is going to annoy me when I tip it. House. We got the kitchen in here. Bedroom's gonna be like down here. Bathroom is here. This is like the front place here, like where. So yeah. Start off, we'll do kitchen first. So grab this little place here and place that there. Now, if you can't see this, I'm just gonna take these two walls down. So that's our first kitchen, and the milk that we got, we'll just place on this little counter, like seriously.
No, she just...
Oh!
That again.
I know what I did wrong. I was supposed to place it there. Pippi, you're weird. Alright, so, now I have the right coordinations. This was supposed to be here.
Have you ever done DIY?
No. So, this is the front. Now I just need to get my window in. Good job. Alright, so I got my window in.
Wow. Why is there food in there?
Food. It's a star.
It's a dog food. It looks like a dog food.
Star! Anyway,
No, that's dog
Hannah's
food.
crazy.
Hi!
We've got our little kitchen here.
If you ever met Pippa in real life, she's crazy too.
Yeah, right.
Mm-hmm.
So, place those walls back down because now you know what that looks like. Our lovely kitchen in there. Now we're going to do down here is our bedroom. So, I'm going to build my bed. Oh, what did I land on? Am I on a gem or something? Oh, no, I was on my glass.
Where's my other fish thing? Other fish thing.
Oh, well, Pip, you weird. Alright, so,
Did you just call me weird
I
again?
said Pip, you weird. So, this is like the base sheets for our bed. These are the two sides. My telescope's rolling away. And we've got this thing here. So let's put that together. Damn, I think I'm gonna. Alright, so guys, I might end the video in a few minutes, so be ready. And then I'm just gonna place my bedside table here.
I've got a time of 13. 16.
And I'm gonna put a little thing there. So there we go. My bedroom.
Pip, can I say one thing to them? Guys, just one thing that will help if you're trying to make if you've got your own YouTube channel, is down below. It will say how much time you have been using, and sometimes next to it, it will say how much time you've got until it has to end. So hers is 13:16 that she has to end the video. And right now it's 10, 22, 23, 24. So, yeah, she might have to end it soon.
Thank you for that. Alright, so we're going to do this part of the house and then we're going to end the video. So we're going to do up the front now. And it's going to be our lovely fish tank here.
Can you hear a little in the background?
Yeah. So this is our lovely fish tank here. I'm just going to place it in, and then I'll try to show you. So, place our lovely little fish tank. It isn't securely placed, but I placed it how I placed it.
I placed it.
So,
I placed it.
If you can't see it, you probably can't see it, but
Oh my God! Look at Skittles. Look at Skittles.
you can probably not see it, but it's right here.
Look at Skittles.
I know she doesn't know. So yeah, that's ours. So next we're gonna do the bathroom, which is just here. So I'll do the platform. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the toilet right here. And we're going to do this part and this part. Stick that on each other. Now we're going to put the little flush button down.
No, it doesn't really hurt that much. I'll drop.
On top.
Who wants to do a fashion thing with me?
And then
For a video.
toilet roll.
Fashion thing? Babe, there's something under the ground, under there that keeps on hitting the top of the thing.
And there you go. Got it. So, and the last thing we're going to do today...
Let's do a fashion thing.
The last thing we're going to do today is our lovely DJ set. So, I showed you this part here. So what I'm going to do is do the disc. And put the disc there. And I'm going to grab this and put